My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
Guys, we're in Chiang. Guys, this is one of the best drinks ever. When I say it's hitting, best drinks. What's this called again? It's called a purple pea butterfly drink, I believe. Really good. We just took some pictures, going on Instagram, real some. Go like my pictures now at Naturally Me. And yes, this place is actually really cute. So I found it on TikTok. So that's really all I have to say about that. And y'all get here early if y'all finna come. We got here right on time and I was cracking, but we finna go. We're gonna go back to our place to stay and I don't know, maybe take a little nap or some, frying dinner. Absolutely, we just vibing today.
Shit, dinner. Yeah, we had lunch.
Lunch? Oh, what time is it?
It's only 1:07.
Oh yeah, we'll lunch, dinner, whatever, and then find something else to do tonight. Kick it. It's really just living a life of luxury. Like I don't know.
Just like something sweet. Yeah.
City, maybe you should travel your corn. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson.
Guys, we're on our way to dinner. We're currently in one of these like a van, child. Like maybe it's open to fall out. But we're vibing. And it's only $30 a person. So we're saving our coin. Yeah, we're on our way to dinner. And I am hungry, so we'll just see y'all at dinner. Hey guys, we're at It's Good Kitchen. And I already know that. Probably with chicken. And I might get mango sticky rice, I'm not sure. It depends on if I'm full or not. But you can, what are you getting?
I think I want the fried rice with the chicken. Maybe fried chicken also.
Or chicken. But yeah, after this, we don't necessarily have anything planned. We're just rolling with the punches, living our best life. And we'll get into whatever we get into. And we'll keep y'all updated. A Thai massage. This is our second time, so we'll let y'all know what our thoughts are.
Well, it costs $15 in the US, but it's okay. I feel like it's gonna be good. Hopefully, this is our second time getting the regular Thai, and then we had a horrible one. It was oil like a week ago, so let's hope this is better.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name.
We're currently at the, if I'm not mistaken, it's the Lana night market or whatever. But we already did some damage. I done spent some money. You need to spend some money. But I'm done. And I actually might not even eat dinner. I'm eating the clothes that I just bought. Yeah. But I actually do need something to drink, like some water. And I just got this bag. So cutesy. Good morning. It's a new day. We just stopped at this breakfast place because I wanted to get a smoothie, but they only did smoothies with syrup and not the real fruit. So I just have water to get me through until later. Unique has her frappuccino. How's your drink?
I would give it like a 4 out of 10. I most definitely have better. It's just y'all, it's just coffee frozen in a cup. No.
Yeah, but we're about to be on our way soon to our cooking class. So I'll probably update y'all then because it's probably loud right now. But yeah.
This one is orange mushroom. It's one kind of the oyster mushroom. We use in every soup. But for this one, is this elephant?
for free. I got some pineapple. And I got grapes. Oh, wait. They let us like walk around and stuff, get snacks before we get out. But they food would just be like naturally juicy though. Yeah, it's like kind of okay.
Guys, we're gonna try the blue tea butterfly drink. Cheers. Cheers.
It's like oat milk or like oat water.
Not bad.
Interesting. Yeah.
It don't taste bad. It just don't taste, well, there's no sugar in it. So it's like, yeah, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like tap. Okay. Just start recording.
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone poles. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call. I can tap AOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo, you bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my people, you just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 'Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk box food. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call and
Hi. We're Cluck. And I'm on a Palmer. And then I have a classic lemonade, guys. And their tea. Very good. I got an order of onion rings. So what I have here is the classical cheeseburger with fries and onion rings, and I think their own little sauce. And then yeah, and then I have, I think these two are like Nashville hot, and then I got, or three, I don't, yeah, and then I got honey garlic for the other two.
For the next whole week, bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got it.
Hi guys, so I just made a very important, wonderful purchase. It's a purse. It's sage green. If you don't know, that's my favorite color. Yes, it's part of my personality. Anywho, inside we got some pockets. It's really spacious. I just put my Lulu bag in there, which is also kind of green as well. Yeah, I ate. It was only like 40 bucks. Thank you. I don't know.